Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800f024b on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on none corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. I have shared the script in the description section of the video. Paste the script and hit enter. Now this script will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and then it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.